What if ChatGPT got way clearer in just 1 minute? Most people leave one powerful switch off, turn it on once, and replies become logical step by step in your language, and long answers stop cleanly so you can say continue. I'll show you the switch, 3 real after examples, 2 quick bonuses, and a simple way to track your gains. Here's what we'll do. The simple instruction that fixes messy answers. How to turn it on in 60 seconds. 3 after demos you can copy today. What to track to see results, limits and when not to use it. 2 pro bonuses for even faster work. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Anton, your AI guide. I test AI in real life and share only what saves time. If you like useful AI without fluff, hit like and subscribe. It tells me to run more experiments for you. Why you need a switch? Big walls of text, missed details, wrong tone. Sometimes it even swaps languages. We don't need drama. We need a clear rule set that ChatGPT follows every time. This is not a plugin or paid add-on. It's a short block of text you paste into custom instructions. It tells ChatGPT to be logical and give clear steps. Use the same language you write in. Stop cleanly when the message gets long so you can say continue. Don't ignore context, goals, time, budget, what matters to you. In the first reply, speak as a real, confident expert. It helps focus. Sound natural and human, not robotic. It even marks your request as important for your career, so it tries harder. And yes, there is a fun line about $1 million tip. Sadly, my bank says no. Think of it like giving GPS to ChatGPT. No more, where do we go? It knows the road. Be logical. Kills rambling. We get clean steps, not soap. No placeholders in code. No to do later. My laptop can't read minds. Stop abruptly. Long replies don't faceplant. You say continue, nothing is lost. Penalized for wrong answers. I don't charge it $5, but wow, it starts checking itself. Don't ignore context. It must use your constraints. Deadline, tool, budget. Use my language. If I write in English, don't turn into Shakespeare's or my high school Spanish teacher. Expert role line. More confident answers with the right terms. Pick a real award, not best cousin in Ohio 2012. Step by step plus concrete. Fewer rewrites. You can act on it. Natural tone, less robot, more human. Open ChatGPT, click your profile icon, tap personalization, open custom instructions. Find how should ChatGPT respond and paste my text there. Hit save. Done. One-time setup. Want these exact words? Comment switch on. Demo 1 7-day family dinners plus shopping list. Prompt idea. Make a 7-day family dinner plan with one shared shopping list. Budget under $60 a day. Prep time 30 minutes or less. Keep it gluten-free. Use US grocery aisles. Result style you'll see. Summary in 2 lines. Day-by-day plan with quick recipes. One shopping list grouped by aisle, produce, dairy, pantry, etc. Why this works in one short line. Take it straight to the store, no rewrites, no guesswork. If only it also did the dishes, we'd be done. 1-day family trip plan. Prompt idea. Plan a 1-day family trip to San Diego with a nap window from 2 to 3 p.m. Kid-friendly food, simple public transit, and a rough cost estimate. Result style. Schedule in time blocks: morning, lunch, nap, afternoon, evening. One line transit notes for each move. kid-friendly spots near each stop, tiny budget, tickets, food, total range. Why this works in one line. Nap time is sacred. Parents, I see you. 30-minute morning reset. Prompt idea. Create a 30-minute morning reset for focus. Short movement, 5-minute review of tasks, 3 must-dos, simple breakfast plan, and a 5-minute wrap routine. Result style. Steps with minutes next to each block. A tiny checklist to print or pin. Why this works in one line. This turns "I'll start later" into "done before coffee gets cold." Mini metrics. Track for 1 week. Rewrites per task should go down. Ignore details, budget, time and location. Fewer misses. Cutoffs, long answers should stop cleanly so you don't lose info. If those improve, your switch is working. This is a tool, not magic. Want playful, creative writing? Say "stay loose, less structure." Need long text? Expect a clean stop, then say "continue." Don't like the award line? Change it to a simple title you prefer. Keep it real and short. Output format preset. Add at the top of any prompt. Format, summary, steps, checklist. Why this works? One line. Now you get the same clean layout every time. Bonus 2. Role hint preset. Start with "You are my daily planning coach." Be concise and friendly. Ask only if you truly need. Then give me steps I can do today. This keeps answers short, clear, and ready to act. Want my main instruction plus these 2 presets? Comment "switch on." Recap. Paste my instruction into personalization, custom instructions once. Use simple prompts like the 3 you saw today. You'll get clear steps, your language, clean stops, and fewer misses. When you want extra structure, add the format line. When you want a friendly voice, add the coach line. If this helped, like and subscribe. Your support keeps these practical AI guides coming. I'm Anton, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.